Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. We've got project day today. You can see I already have parts laid out. I've been to one of my favorite spots, Menards. Alright, so I went to my local Menards because I need another table for editing and cooking, and I just need more counter space. And this is pretty much it, because right here is my door to my refrigerator. So I went to Menards and they always have scrap wood. I went over there and I've actually cut this one down already, but this piece was an extra probably 2 feet tall. So I got it for $6. Score. And then I picked up two 90s. 2 flanges, 12-inch pipe, 2, these are called nipples, they're threaded on each side, and I'm going to make a DIY lagoon table. Yes, I could go to Amazon and I could buy their Pacific lagoon table, but it really doesn't fit my build. So I need to customize. So as you can see, I've already got one in here, and I did put an epoxy in here because I do not want this one ever coming loose. It's gonna go bloop, probably about right there. And then I'm going to screw one of these on here. Do, 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 do. And anybody can do this. These are really simple. I've made lots of these. I had them in my Honda. I've had them in my other build in this van. This flange is actually going to go on the back of this board. Now, like I said, I've already pre-cut this one, and I'm going to stain this just like I stained this one. And I'm going to put this somewhere, probably right here, put 4 screws in it. And I'm going to put 4 screws in this one, so it's anchored down here, and then this is going to go in here just like this. Now you don't need no building experiences or anything like that, so we're going to put that right there, and then we're going to put this one in here. Now the key point is I'm making this out of small pipes just because I don't need a big footprint. Now, if you're gonna have a bigger table, you might wanna get bigger pipe. This will always be affixed here. I will take this table on and off when it comes to here. So that will stay there permanently. And then this will stay permanently on this table. Let me take this table down. So it'll be here after, so this part will stay permanently here, and then I will just unscrew the table like that, and then I will put this. All right, so get it started. So then this is going to sit like this, and then the table, which this is going to sit there, this is going to go on here, and then I'm just going to screw it on. And then this will move like this. And I can move this anywhere. I can have a table to work here. I can put it over here, have all my laptop stuff here. And then when I want to cook, I can have this table for cooking. Or if I'm doing a real elaborate meal, I can have 2 countertops. So we are going to install this. I'm going to probably do about here, have that screwed in there. And then we'll have this table sit up like this. And it will be in here. And I cut this a little long for right now because I'm going to round these edges around. And I'm going to stain this, and I'm trying to get the maximum of this space. So it's going to stay here and then come out like this. And then I can spin this around to take it off. So let's get started. And we get to play with power tools. We've got our base here. And we're going to just draw in these little holes right here. We're gonna try to get this. So we're gonna draw lines right around here. Because then I'm gonna drill holes with my power tools. I don't know what's more fun, playing with tools or actually getting the job done. Maybe both, I don't know. Gonna drill a pilot hole in the middle of each one of these. Whoop. And then one more. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna pop this out, put this, put your tools back. And then we're gonna put in our screw. And then we're gonna screw these down. And this is going to go in here like this. Now this one I don't want to drill very deep because I don't want it to go all the way through. All right, let's just do this. Yeah, okay. Instead of digging out that other, we'll just do this. And it's probably a lot quieter. Make sure that nope, did not poke through. So we are good. Good. Now all these supplies you can get at a Lowe's, a Menards, a Home Depot. Show you exactly how to install this lagoon table. So as I talked about, I had gotten 2 of these nipples, and one of them is going on here, and I originally had this already screwed in, but I'm going to make sure that this is extremely tight, but I want this down here as tight as it possibly can. So, all right, we're getting tight there. So we're gonna do one more. There. That is tight. So now we're gonna put this 90 in here, and we're gonna tighten this down. I don't think I can go one more all the way around, and I do want this to swivel like this, so I'm gonna leave that like that. I think it would work better if I did this. I don't know. Yeah, see, I'm not gonna be able to get it all the way around, so let's put this end in there. We're gonna leave it just like that, and then we're gonna come in with the long pipe. The table is actually done. I've cut it, I've stained it, and I've polyurethaned it. So, here is my new table. And there's the flange that I've inserted in with the nipple. Now, we're going to just set this on, and then we're going to spin it. Now I have my desk. So when I want to do some computer work, I can sit right here. And when the weather gets better, I can take this down, just unsnap this. And look out my beautiful window. If I'm somewhere nice, I gotta redo this. But there's my new table. All done. And I can rotate it how I want. So, I love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, I better turn this off. And if you guys want more content like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will link this video to if you're building a van. I have some tours and DIY situations like building curtains like this in the van. So I will link that playlist right here. Safe travels, everyone.